I've had a few people ask what I pack in my travel medication bag. I have an older video on this topic, but I thought I'd share an updated one today. I got this little bag for free years ago as one of those L'Occitane holiday free gifts with a purchase, but obviously any small bag will work. I pack my inhaler. I have asthma, so I tend to keep a rescue inhaler in multiple bags at all times. I always bring some kind of antacids. Allergy pills are another must for me. The older I get, the more things I find I'm allergic to. I used to pack Vicks Vapor Rub to help clear my sinuses, but this little boom boom stuff works just as well, and it comes in a smaller container. I bring a small thermometer, Tylenol, this 2 3-leaf ointment. If you've ever had a filling fall out or chip a tooth on vacation, you know why I pack this. Neosporin, or sometimes just a small container of Vaseline, anti-nausea meds, Sudafed, or some other cold medication, Advil, cough drops, Benadryl, allergy eye drops. My husband prefers one kind, I like another. And this little Band-Aid kit, which also includes liquid Band-Aid. It doesn't matter how old or worn in my shoes are. It never fails. At some point on vacation, I will end up with blisters on my feet. I pack Blistex, and I always keep a few safety pins in here. Then in my purse, I also keep some kids' Dramamine. I like the kids' dosage because it doesn't make me sleepy. You can get a lot of these things on board a cruise ship, but the prices are extreme. And this picture was from about 5 years ago, so I'm sure prices have gone up since. In the comments, let me know what over-the-counter meds you pack. Thanks for watching.